In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can awaken dough here in Blox Fruits. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first, you're going to need to be in the 3rd sea. Dough Awakening does require advanced raids, but essentially, once you're in the 3rd sea, you need to start by collecting cocoa from enemies on Chocolate Island. You also need 1 God's Chalice from chest or elite enemies, and then take these to the Sweet Crafter to make Sweet Chalice. From here, go to Cake Land and talk to the NPC. You're also going to have to defeat 500 enemies, you and the server specifically on Cake Land. But essentially, once you do that, hold the Sweet Chalice, talk to the NPC again to spawn the Dough King, defeat him, you'll get the red key, and then use that key in Cake Land to unlock the Cake Scientist, which allows you to access the dough raids. Now you can buy dough raid chips and start raids, but that really is the entire process. After you complete the raids, talk to the entity at the end, spin the fragments, and then you'll be able to awaken your moves. You need about 18,500 fragments to fully awaken dough. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.